What's up, everybody? This is Brennan Henderson, and welcome back to Brennan's Flight Factor. Today, I'm going to Springfield Branson Airport for the very last time this year, since it's year's end now, 2024. We're just days away from this recording, from 2025, in this recording, that's what I mean, but, yeah, it's amazing how close we are to the new year and how quickly this past year is gone. And Merry Late Christmas and a Happy New Year in that case. So, oh yeah, we should get a lot of pretty cool planes at the Springfield Branson National Airport. So we'll be going to Roy Blunt Terminal as usual. And I know it's been a couple months since I last made an actual full-length episode. I've been busy with school and various other things as well, but I'm finally back at it. So, yeah. We should see a few American Eagle jets and a United Express jet or two, and also a Delta CRJ-900 from my understanding. Yeah. All right. Here's the Brennan's Flight Fact for today. As of December 2024, Air Wisconsin operates 39 CRJ-200s for American Eagle. All right, now, without further ado, flights, camera, action! And an American Eagle CRJ-200. The tail number of this plane is November 417 Alpha Whiskey. 417 is the area code for Springfield. Here's a Delta CRJ900 just in from Atlanta. Wow, what an evening, or rather late afternoon. The sun sets pretty early this time of year, but yeah, we got a lot of cool planes like I knew we would. We saw 3 or 4 American Eagle jets, a couple of them being American Eagle ERJ-175s, and we got to see an American Eagle CRJ-200, so just 3. We got to see a United CRJ-200, and a Delta CRJ-900, and I think that's pretty much it. So the usual regional jets that we normally get, but they're pretty cool too. Last time I was here, I got to see an Allegiant 737 MAX 8-200 back in October. That's in the previous episode, so if you guys want to check that out, it's in Season 10, along with this episode. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and please give a like, please subscribe, and please give a share, and please turn on that notification bell so that way you guys can get all the latest updates and see when I've posted something new. And I will see you all next year. Bye!